To present users with a multiple choice option from which they can make a single or multiple selection, you can use radio buttons and checkboxes. Both would normally be used in groups, but for radio buttons it is particularly important. From the toolbar, start by using either of the group options. Use checkboxes when you want to permit multiple selections. There are a number of specific formatting options with a group. As usual, the name of the group is important. To include a header, check the Has Header checkbox and enter the header text into the caption field. The header height and alignment can also be managed from here. The style settings will be taken from the Forms style settings, something we saw in a previous video. But you can override them here just as you can with any other object. Including a border is very common in groups. The individual checkboxes inside of the group are the objects that the user would select. Each one should have a suitable name. The caption is the text that the user will see. Check the selected box to pre-select one or more of the checkboxes. A radio button group has similar formatting options to the checkbox group. One key difference is that a user may only check a single selection from the available radio buttons in that group. That's why it's important that the radio buttons are kept in groups. A radio button, unlike a checkbox, also has a value property. The caption is the text that the user will see, but when a radio button is selected, it will also return the value as a property, often useful in behaviours and reporting. Typically, you might assign an account number as the value. A unique feature of a radio button group is that because only a single radio button can be selected from a group, the group will assume the caption and value of the selected radio button. This can also be quite useful with behaviours, but that will be covered in other tutorial videos.